Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome back. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope all of you are doing well. Recipe of veg noodles or chow mein. Apart from the vegetables that I have used, you can use any other vegetables of your choice. If you like the video, do share and subscribe. So to make the veg noodles, I have cut red, green, yellow, orange bell peppers into slices. Here we have the chili sauce, tomato sauce, soya sauce, green chillies, salt and vinegar. So here I am cutting all the bell peppers into slices to make vegetable Hakka noodles. Also I'll cut the cabbage into small pieces. Now to boil the Hakka noodles, I have taken 8 to 10 cups of water in a pan. On medium flame, I'll let it boil and then add the Hakka noodles and let them boil. I'll add in the water 1 teaspoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of salt. I let them cook it till 80% done. So after boiling for 3 to 4 minutes, we'll drain off excess water from this. Add 1 teaspoon of oil on the noodles, cooked noodles, so in this way they won't stick to each other. Here I have transferred the noodles into a plate so they do not become sticky. Now in a kadhai or a wok, we'll take 2 tablespoons of oil and let it heat on medium flame. Then we'll add the chopped garlic as well as green chilies. Give it a stir and then add the sliced onions and let it cook for a while. Then we'll add all the other vegetables. Here I am adding carrots and the green, yellow, orange bell peppers. We'll stir them, mix it, and then we'll add the cabbage also and let it cook for a while. Here I am adding salt as well as I'll add all the other sauces, chili sauce, soya sauce, tomato sauce, and stir it. Now we'll add the boiled Hakka noodles in the vegetables and stir it and mix it with the vegetables nicely. And finally we'll add the vinegar. Here I have added 1 teaspoon of more soya sauce as well as some salt to taste. So our vegetable Hakka noodles are ready. We'll garnish them with some spring onions. So our vegetable Hakka noodles are ready. Enjoy with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. See you next week with another video. Thank you.